Hi, welcome to Skillfyme, and today we are covering what are the key features of SSH. SSH stands for Secure Shell, and it is a cryptographic network protocol used for secure communication and data transfer over a potentially unsecured network, such as the Internet. SSH is widely used to provide encrypted communication between two comp. SSH provides strong encryption for data transmission, ensuring that sensitive information, including passwords and commands, is protected from unauthorized access. SSH uses various authentication methods, including passwords, public key cryptography, and multi-factor authentication (MFA), to verify the identity of users attempting. SSH enables users to securely log into remote systems and execute commands as if they were directly interacting with the local terminal. SSH supports secure file transfer between systems using tools like SCP, Secure Copy Protocol, and SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol. SSH can create encrypted tunnels, allowing users to securely access services on remote servers as if they were local, useful for bypassing firewalls and accessing restricted resources. SSH can forward network connections from a local machine to a remote server and vice versa, enabling secure access to network resources. SSH 1, the first version of SSH, now considered insecure due to vulnerabilities. It's largely obsolete and replaced by SSH 2. SSH 2, the current and widely used version of SSH, featuring improved security, better encryption algorithms, and various A. If you like this content, then please like, share and subscribe. It motivates us to create such more content.